Hey, I'm Lucas, and this is my bike check. Alright, so I got the ODI long neck grips right there. Love those grips, don't run anything else. I have the S&M Grand Slam handlebars, which are really ghetto, because I've had them for over a year. The S&M pitchforks, as you can see right there, got these like a couple months ago. The Fit FAF tire with beige walling. Paro ALB front rim. Premium death trap frame 21 inch. That's Garrett Reynolds' signature frame. I love that frame. It's the best frame ever. Unless you're a little weight pussy that can't lift shit. I have the Eastern Nomad cranks. Custom chrome. Had these for like over 6 months, like almost a year. Colony Fantastic plastic pedals. Had those for almost a year too. They're really good. Haro conversion kit that comes with the sprocket. As you can see there. I run 25.9 for gearing. Primo BB bottom bracket kit. Alright, I also have the KMC Shade and the Maxxis Miracle tire in the back. You can see right there. Oh yeah, Animal jump off step. See right there. And the Animal headset. I don't know if you can read that, but I have the Animal headset. Integrated, yeah. And my bike check. Check out my other vids and subscribe to BMX Lucas Watkins and alright, cool.